What's going on, YouTube? This is my first update of my 6.5K Onan Generator. Doing a test on running the whole house. 1 gallon of gas to see how long. As you can see, well here, hold on. First off, let's start with the generator. Yeah, I know my backyard's messy. I haven't got a chance to get clean. There's the generator. Start up battery. Can't really see them, but those are my 2 panels charging my battery. I still got to put my inverter in and hook it to the house. That's my gas tank for right now. I got 1 gallon of gas. So far been running 10 minutes. As you can see though, everything in the house is working. Everything's on. No drawback at all. Let's see. Both legs of the house are going, not just one leg. So everything works. This fan's old, takes a while to get going, but everything seems to be powering up. That powered up, okay. Let's check the TV and Xbox in the living room. Xbox One, boys. Power on. Xbox on. That seems to be working. Oh, TV in here just kicked on. Sweet, sweet. Everything seems to be working pretty good. Everything in here is working. Oh, here, let's check the hallway light. It's working. So, everything's running. Even got my fridge running. Microwave's on. Let's give it a test real quick. Let's throw it on for 1 minute, see what happens. It's either going to kill the breakers or it's going to let it go. And as you can see, drawed down my generator just a little bit, but oh, come on!